In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hashtags in Apple Notes. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. You can find the Notes app icon, which looks like a yellow notepad, on your home screen. Once you tap on it, the app will launch, revealing a list of your existing notes. If you want to create a new note, simply tap the icon that resembles a pencil on a square at the bottom right corner of the screen. Alternatively, if you wish to organize or edit an existing note, scroll through the list and select the one you want to open. This initial step is crucial because it sets up the environment where you'll be using hashtags to enhance your notes. Next, start typing in your note. To create a hashtag, type the pound sign, which is the symbol for hashtags, followed by a tag name. For example, you might type hash work or hash shopping. As you type, make sure there are no spaces between the pound sign and the tag name. This is essential because the Notes app recognizes the hashtag only when it is formatted correctly. Creating meaningful tags helps you categorize your thoughts efficiently, making it easier to find specific notes later. After typing your hashtag, add a space after the tag. This step is very important. When you add a space, the Notes app recognizes it as an active tag. You'll notice that the text will change color or become highlighted, indicating that it's now a clickable tag. This visual cue confirms that your tag has been successfully created. This feature is designed to streamline your organization, allowing you to quickly access related notes when you need them. If you have multiple topics you want to tag within the same note, feel free to add as many hashtags as you need. Just remember to follow the same format. Type the pound sign, the tag name, and then add a space for each tag. For instance, you could have hash work, hash project, and hash shopping all in the same note. This flexibility allows you to categorize your notes more granularly. The ability to use multiple tags enriches your note-taking experience, making it adaptable to your needs. To find your tagged notes later, navigate to the Folders section of the Notes app. You can do this by tapping on the back arrow at the top left corner until you reach the main screen. Scroll down until you see the Tags section. Once there, tap on one or more tags to view all matching notes. This feature is particularly beneficial because it allows you to quickly access notes based on their tags, saving you time and effort in searching. Utilizing tags effectively can greatly enhance your productivity and organization. Remember, tags must be a single word. However, if you want to use phrases, you can incorporate hyphens or underscores instead of spaces. For example, you could create a tag like hash project alpha or hash project underscore alpha. This little detail ensures that your tags are compliant with the app's requirements while still being descriptive. Using clear and concise tags helps you maintain clarity in your notes, making them more useful for future reference. By following these simple steps, you can effectively use hashtags in Apple Notes. This method enhances how you organize and retrieve your notes. It makes your note-taking process more efficient and streamlined. Now you can easily categorize and find your thoughts whenever you need them. Thank you for watching and happy note-taking.